Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Get ready for back-to-back impact days across the Susquehanna Valley. First will come the heavy rain and then strong winds. So as we go through the evening, we could see some spotty showers, but be prepared for a steady soaking rain, especially in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. And then the rain will taper back to scattered showers and even a few strong thunderstorms, along with some gusty winds Thursday afternoon. It's on Friday we will see the continuation of these strong gusty winds, but we're drying back out, but they could impact some of your Halloween plans, especially during the afternoon. I do expect, though, the winds to start to drop by the time we get to trick-or-treating, so that's good news. And then the weather will quiet down for the weekend ahead, and it looks like it is going to be seasonably cool. Now, outside right now, taking a live look over York, we have the clouds. That's the moisture coming in first. Right now, we're at 56 degrees in the White Rose City. May see some isolated showers for areas west of the Susquehanna River, especially in parts of Cumberland County, just enough to wet the pavement or the grass in your backyard. Right now, you can see some light showers crossing over I-81 and US 11 up there towards Big Spring, towards Dickinson, not too far away from Mount Holly Springs and not too far from Carlisle Borough. So here's the steadier rain, the heavier rain. That's now moving through eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, now into western portions of West Virginia. That's what's due in later tonight. So for this evening, mostly cloudy. We'll have better chances for some showers as we go past sunset, with temperatures holding in the lower 50s. Overnight tonight, look for the widespread rain to develop after midnight, and then we're talking rounds of heavy rain very early tomorrow morning, and then that will taper back to those scattered showers, but we'll have a few strong thunderstorms possibly in the mix as temperatures top off in the upper 50s to low to mid 60s. And it's a soaking rain for us. I think we're picking up anywhere from 1 to 2.5 inches of rain, and it is possible because of the motion of the storms we could see some isolated higher totals. There is a low threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms on a scale of 1 to 5. It is a level 1 out of 5, and it's a narrow window of opportunity for these storms. Anywhere from about noon to 5 o'clock, we could see some of these isolated strong thunderstorms produce some damaging winds and the continuation of some heavy rainfall. Made it to 58 for our high today after starting the day off at 38 degrees, and temperatures are still relatively mild. We're at 55 in Elizabethtown in Lancaster County, 57 if you're watching us in Lebanon, and 57 at this hour in Gettysburg. Notice there is a little bit of some milder air across eastern portions of North Carolina and along the East Coast. That's what we're going to tap into. We're going to be on the warmer side of this storm briefly tomorrow afternoon. So let's take you hour by hour here on the predictor. There you can see the threat for some spotty showers this evening, but after midnight, here comes that steady soaking rain that will continue to be intense for the morning commute. So be prepared for a slow go heading off to work tomorrow. By lunchtime, the heaviest of the rain starts exiting the valley, but then here comes the storm's warm front, and as that lifts to the north, that opens the door for the potential for some stronger thunderstorms. But by 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, that window will close, but then the winds will pick up and it will remain blustery going on into tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and also on in throughout the day on Friday. But it does look like now that Friday will be dry, but it is going to be windy out there. Here's a look at the wind gust forecast. At times in excess of 30 miles per hour, could be up to near 40 miles per hour. So that's why Friday's an impact day, because of those strong wind gusts. But the good news is I do expect the winds will start to drop closer to trick-or-treating time, but we could see some spotty power outages. And if you have those Halloween decorations in your yard, you may really want to anchor them down. Weather does quiet down and it will be improving for the weekend, with highs holding in the upper 50s for the first weekend of November. Much of next week looks dry, but we could see some spotty showers returning to the forecast for Thursday of next week.
All right.